Load your family into the 2007 Nissan Armada. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Top features include front bucket seats, front and rear reading lights, fully automatic headlights, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, adjustable pedals, a roof rack, and air conditioning. Backseat passengers will appreciate the rear audio controls, allowing them to make easy adjustments to the stereo system. Third row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags, traction control, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. We'd also be happy to help you arrange financing for your vehicle. Call now to schedule a test drive.